So let's take this as an example. It's freelinguist, which is also a crowdsourcing system. Okay, it is a crowdsourcing system that is to provide like language services like editing, proofreading, translation, and where you can find freelancers to work for you. So like it's like a matchmaker. Okay, like it has contributors, and also these contributors are the public interested in serving even very small amount of their time in language projects. When they are free, they have nothing else to do, they want to provide this service. And also there's this kind of project developers, like people who need assistance in language assistance. For example, you may need to polish your funding proposal or like some reports or scientific or like blog articles or whatever, right? And then they can use this freelinguist to exchange their need and then help each other, right? And then it has this 100% satisfaction guarantee because you will only approve when you are 100% happy with the delivered result. So for this kind of system, the question is energy efficient design important? And what benefit can we generate by using energy efficient designs, right? So let's take a look at the steps of using this system and what kind of things are involved. And then we will understand better how energy efficient design will play a role here. Okay? So to use this system, you first, well, do you need some text work? Yes, if you need, then you can simply create a project in this platform. And then this platform will advertise this to the people who can help. And then those who are willing to help, the contributors, if they are interested and they are willing to help, they will place bid for this. After that, you can simply choose the one that you like the most. You will find their qualifications, right? Their background, their degrees, and all that. So then there will be this kind of, you choose the one, and then the contributor is willing to help, and then the matchmaking is done. And after that, you will complete the work, and you will approve the job to be completed and pay after you are 100% happy, right? So this is the overall process. So on the other hand, if you look at it from the system perspective, right? So now the input is basically the original text, your requirement. And then the output of the system is the perfect text delivered. So here, for the perfect text delivered, it can be measured by the amount of the bits, the information bits delivered, right? So now we have the delivering output, which is bits. On the other hand, for the system, it has many entities, like the owners, the freelancers, the terminals, the devices, right? You are using to access the network, and also the core network, and furthermore, this freelinguist platform. So now, indeed, for this, if you take this energy efficient design, I would say it's not just design, it's the philosophy, it's the methodology. You take this into account when you are implementing such a system. You need to consider, for example, energy efficient conflict resolution. Different users, they will have conflict in interest. How should you handle it? So that the energy consumption of different parties will be minimized, right? And also energy efficient access control, right? Like different users, they will access the platform at the same time. How should you resolve the conflicts and design their access so that the server can have the minimum power consumed? And also energy efficient front end and back end communications. And also energy efficient back end scheduling, because at the back end we need to schedule different users at the same time. So how should we handle that? And especially, this one is something important. For example, energy efficient psychological prediction and analysis. Why I should raise this? This is because this energy is always consumed by people. So understanding the psychological behavior of the people, of the human beings, is essential when we are designing a real interactive system, right? Because by understanding their behaviors, then we will be able to design the systems that will please the people the most, so that they will likely to use maybe the system at a much smaller amount of time while they are still 100% happy, right? Then you will assure the quality of service while minimizing the energy consumption, right? So all these are involved. So by using this energy efficient design philosophy, we will be able to generate an extremely lean and fast platform for the highest cost efficiency. So that's the idea here. So, yeah.